Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix this payment was cancelled or declined for your protection. For example, if you have recently made payment on any random account and you see this kind of error, then how you can fix that. So first of all, you don't have to panic because this payment was cancelled by the Cash app, and they will make sure that they will return you as soon as possible. And how this has happened because the payment you have sent to the account may be restricted account or not verified account. And if you send your payment to an unverified account, then this kind of error occurs. And after that, so you have to make sure that while transferring the payment you have to correct the payment account so that you can simply send the payment without any problem. And if you use the account which is not verified or any kind of threat related to that account, then Cash App automatically stops your payment and it does not transfer to that account, and after that within few days it is transferred back to your account. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.